lesser included first degree felony of aggravated assault. Is all of that true and correct? And is that what you were pleading guilty to?
Yes, sir.
Aggravated sexual assault of a child, Judge.
Sexual assault of a child?
Yes, well, you said aggravated assault.
Aggravated sexual assault.
Yes, sir.
And are you doing that voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently, and because all of this is true?
Yes, sir.
Show you what's marked as State's Exhibit 1. Did you sign that document voluntarily? Did you understand it, discuss it with your attorney, or the contents all true and correct? State's Exhibit 1 is tendered into evidence without objection admitted. This states, among other things, you were mentally competent to enter your plea, which is being made freely and voluntarily. You know what you've been charged with. The indictment's been read to you. You understand it fully. You were guilty of the lesser included offense of sexual assault of a child, aggravated sexual assault of a child, under this indictment of continuous sexual abuse of a child. You were giving up your rights to a jury trial, the right to the appearance, confrontation, cross-examination of witnesses. You were totally satisfied with the representation provided by your lawyer. All of this is true and states, so help you God. Is that so?
Yes, sir.
Again, to this lesser included offense of aggravated sexual assault of a child, a first degree felony offense, voluntarily, knowingly, intelligently. There's sufficient evidence supporting your guilty plea from State's Exhibit 1 to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. I now find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of this offense. I am following this agreement. You are hereby sentenced to confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice to serve a term of 25 years. Do you understand what has happened today, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, one other thing is you now have been convicted of an offense which requires sex offender registration admonishments and the sex offender registration requirements under the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure in Chapter 62. Do you understand what you are going to be required of, sir?
Yes, sir.
Ryan, I'm going to write your name here on this sex offender to complete it. It says that you acknowledge that you've been admonished by Mr. Matuska, that one, with a reportable conviction or adjudication, like what has happened in this hearing, which requires you to comply with Chapter 62 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, sex offender registration, what we refer to it as. Failure to do so properly is a criminal offense and may result in prosecution. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Furthermore, if you move to another state that has similar reporting requirements for sex offenders, you must register in that state. And failing to register would result in you being charged with a criminal offense. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand what has happened today, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anything else to add on this?
No, sir.
Anything, Brian? Okay, that is all. You're in recess on this case.
Thank you, Judge.
Hold on. Hold on. All right, in this case, the defendant has pleaded guilty and has been sentenced to 25 years imprisonment for continuous sexual. It was the lesser included.
Yes, sir.
Aggravated sexual assault under this indictment, charging him with continuous sexual assault of a child. Under Article 42.03 of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, the court shall permit a victim of an offense to appear in person and to present to the court and to the defendant a statement of that person's views about the offense, the defendant, and the effect of the offense on that victim. And you may proceed.
Thank you, Judge.
I asked myself so many times why they could do that to somebody. Why couldn't I put the time on their day? I even asked Papa why you would do that. And he would tell me because he was lonely, didn't have a girlfriend or a job. You know, he sat on his bed and played video games and smoked weed, and he was lonely, and you're the only female I was with, and so I did that to you. For the longest time, I wouldn't accept that answer because I didn't want it to be true. I wanted it to all be an illusion, but I came to church and accepted that it is true. It's not my fault. You're the reason we're here. You know, when I first told someone, you tried to tell me for a longer time that I was to drugs and that it didn't happen, and that I was just trying to get you in trouble. But I'm doing this right now to heal from the trauma that you have caused me and from the hurt that you have caused me and how I react to other people. And I forgive you, but I don't forgive the action that you've caused.
Well, hold on. Did the defendant speak?
Yes, Your Honor.
You speak to her during her time of allocution, I will hold you in contempt and add more time to your sentence.
Yes.
Entitled to speak, not you. Follow the rules.
No, that's my fault. I should have.
That's all right. He made a free choice to attempt a dialogue with the lady, and that is not allowed under the rules. Go ahead, ma'am.
That's all we have, Judge.
Is that it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Anything else you'd like to add?
I still love you because you're my dad, but I don't love you as a person anymore.
Ma'am, just do your best to move on with your life. The world has wonderful things to enjoy and take advantage of. And sometimes all of us have to deal with an evil situation that comes in front of us. We didn't expect it. We don't deserve it. But it's part of life sometimes. Do your best, please, to, try to put that past you and enjoy the good, wonderful things that life has and make the most out of that. Okay? Good luck to you. Thank you.